Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to get a drink real quick. And I'm not even going to restart. So, now we're going to learn about these three types of styling. External, internal, and inline. I spelled inline wrong. That's okay, though. Now, when we're styling, sometimes it's convenient to do a quick style like this. Although, if we're going to do that for every single piece of information on our entire website, it gets pretty crazy. So what we can do is we can take all of this and actually put it within the head of the article, right? So I'm not sure if it goes before the title or after the title. I don't think it matters. I'm going to put it after. So what we can do with this is we can say style, give a style tag, and then we're going to end a style tag, just like this. And within here we can put CSS styling. You don't really know how to do this yet, but that's what we'll be getting into in the next video. So just follow along, pretend you know what I'm typing and what I should be doing and so forth. You can even correct me if you want. You probably are, actually. You've probably been correcting me this entire time, but it's okay. I still love you. Not in a weird way. Like, okay, that was kind of weird. Anyways, let's go. So I can be like, padding equals 30 pixels. Now it's going to poof it up. Bam, we got it more. Say background color equals red. Oh, this is going to look weird. So now we have this. All right, now this black text is kind of hard to read, so I'm going to make it a different color. I could say, how can I do that? I could say, yeah, paragraph. I could say color equals white. So now we can really see that. Now, what's with the second red box here? Well, let's try and figure that out. We got first. Oops, what did I do there? We have a paragraph, and then we have a second paragraph when we should be ending the paragraph. So refresh. There we go. That looks a lot better now. So that's an example of styling things. So we could have a unordered list. I'm going to get out of the head real quick. And this is going to be a shopping list. I need some music. Dinosaur thoughts. Alright, and then music. We also need some laser popcorn. So now if I refresh, I got my little shopping list here. I can add a little H3 title. Shopping list. Alright, now you can see the shopping list is really close to the white right there, and it looks kind of crappy. So what we can do is up in our style sheet, we can add something for a shopping list. We can go H3. Within here we can make padding, which gives it extra spacing. Make it 10 pixels. We'll refresh the page, and now it looks a lot better. Alright, awesome. So what can we do with this? Well, we can, let's think. What we can do is take this shopping list, alright, H3, and then we had a the LI, list items. So LI, we can give it some CS. We can go text decor. Oh, sorry, ignore this. Text decoration, and then we could set this to either overline, I think, line through, or underline. So I'm going to go line through, see what it does, and see it crossed out my shopping list because I got them. Woo! So that's one thing we can do, and that's just some basic CSS and HTML. So here's inline, where we put it right beside the stuff. We just style equals, and then we put our content. Or we can bring it up in the head by putting a style tag. There's one more way we can do this, though, and that is with a external style sheet. So if we get rid of all this crap, all right, we add a link. We're still in the head of the file, and then we have rel. I'm just going to type out the spots real quick. Type href. Alright, so here is basic link to a style sheet. So we have a style sheet. Type be, I think, text / CSS. href is where the style sheet is located. So I could say style. I got style. Now, style for a while. .css. Alright, so now it's going to take the style. Well, you see, it still has some style. So what's up with that? That's because we have inline right here. So if we get rid of that extra inline garbage, it's going to bring it back to how it was originally. So now let's see what it has to say for itself after it looks crappy. Oh, that's boring. So if we had a style in a different file, it'd probably work, but only for a while. So I'm going to create a new file. Yes, I can't think of any other rhyming words. So we're going to save this as style for a while .css. Now we can put the same stuff in here. So p padding equals 20 pixels, and I'll be explaining this stuff in upcoming videos. Don't worry out. Don't freak out. 300 pixels. Boom. Now it's all funky, but oh well. So that's just the difference between inline, internal, and external style sheets. Inline puts it right within the tag. Internal puts it in the head. External puts it in the head, but links to a different file that you can use to style your pages. I recommend external, and that's probably what I'll be using for most, if not all, of the rest of the series. So if I need inline, I'll probably use it, but I doubt I will. So I shall see you in the next video. Sorry, excuse me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, sorry about that. See you later.